Criminology word of the day, free will. So the word free will na ide-discuss natin today, dalawa sila. Isang noun, isang adjective. And maririnig nyo itong free will na to sa criminal sociology subjects ninyo, specifically sa classical theory. So here's the meaning of the word, free will. So dalawa yung free will na ide-discuss natin. Ito, free will. Merong space sa gitna. It is a noun which is defined as voluntary choice or decision. The freedom of humans to make choices that are not determined by prior causes or by divine intervention. Ang tao daw ay merong kakayahan na gumawa ng desisyon mag-isa. Meron siyang voluntary choice or voluntary decision. Na walang ibang makikialam sa kanya, na walang divine intervention, yung tao lang mismo ang gagawa nun. That's free will. And meron ding free will na walang space. It is an adjective. Ang definition niya is voluntary or spontaneous. Kung mapapansin nyo dito sa synonyms niya, ang sabi dyan, self-imposed, uncoerced, unforced, volitional, voluntary, volunteer, willing. Ang antonyms niya naman, coerced, compelled, forced, involuntary, non-voluntary, unwilled, and willless. So yun na, kapag gagamitin mo yung word as a noun, merong space. Kapag gagamitin mo naman sa sentence yung free will as an adjective, walang space. Basically, parehas lang naman sila ng sinasabi na ang tao merong kakayahan gumawa ng desisyon sa sarili niya na walang makikialam sa kanya, makagagawa siya ng desisyon. So that's the meaning of the word free will. Stay tuned for more criminology vocabulary. Bye!